Hello guys, another unboxing here. This came by the mail, FedEx. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Very nice package. Okay, this is the Vario Trench 1918. Nice signed warranty card. It's very nice. It's actually great. Wristwatch check. I'm using today the Live. Okay, micro brand then. Okay, let's see. What a beauty. With this band strap. Very cool. Look at the dial, how it's nice. Just peel off. Very nice decorated back. It's like a soldier. This thing doesn't want to come out. Okay. Band strap usually works like this. Let's see if this thing can get going. Screw down crown. Nice. Already working. It's a Miyota movement. That's great. There you go, guys. Bye-bye. There you have it. Beautiful. Beautiful thing. I took out from the band because it's too hot here, and so you can take it out and use it like this in a single strap, which I think it looks nicer, but very nice.